Revolutionize your investigative toolkit with C5CAT, the ultimate game changer for decoding CDR, IMEI, and tower dump records with unmatched precision. Gain real-time insights into common links, devices used, calls on the go, top callers, day and night locations, and group analysis, freeing up your time to focus on mission-critical tasks. But that's just the beginning. Dive deeper by analyzing IPDR to uncover apps used, services accessed, websites visited, frequent apps, movement patterns, and, most impressively, pinpoint B-party numbers in VoIP calls with 100% accuracy. Ready to elevate your investigative techniques? Don't wait. Visit Prosoftsolutions.com today and claim your free trial to experience the future of data-driven analysis.